I was amazed at how measured the budget was. I think that there was the temptation for the Treasury to implement some knee-jerk changes to increase revenues and to decrease the deficit. And those haven't come through. It was a very careful budget. Increasing VAT in a year before an election year was a brave move, one that will have an impact. And there were lots of other good news messages there. There's a commission being announced on SARS, so the government's going to look at, is SARS functioning optimally? There were some tax incentives announced. There's some new economic zones that are going to be developed and new tax incentives going to be introduced there. R&D, research and development incentives they're going to look at. They're also looking at tax incentives across the board, and if you've ever worked in the field, you'll know that that's a Byzantine place to go and try and work out what is available. So there was some really good news aspects from a tax perspective, including some of the changes that they focused on. There's not massive sweeping anti-avoidance. They've been quite careful and focused about what they want to change, and the suggestions, at least at the high level which the budget is, seem very sensible to me.